How to use coins in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the game and you got the coins to use it and you don't know where to use it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto three lines right here at the top. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find slots just right here. Now select it. Now here you can find different kinds of slots that you can play. Now choose one which you want to play just like this. Now to play, simply tap on to spin. After tapping on to spin, here you can find the coins option. Now here you can find coins right here. Now the use of the coins is to play the slots. Now get the coins and make the coins enough to play these slots and spin it. Now tap on to spin and you can simply get the coins by buying or purchasing. And that's it. This is how you can use the coins in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.